Welcome back to my channel, Bloom and Thrive with Jen. I am Jen, pelvic floor physical therapist, women's health coach, and pregnancy and postpartum specialist. Leak when you laugh, sneeze, or lift heavy objects. That's your pelvic floor talking to you. It needs attention. These muscles support your bladder, your uterus, and bowel. Too weak, you can leak. If you're too tight, can get you pain, constipation, and pain with sexual activity. Don't just do Kegels. Sometimes you need to relax and not squeeze. Start with deep belly breath, it's called diaphragmatic breath, and then talk to a pelvic floor physical therapist. We offer virtual coaching programs tailored specific to your needs. Follow along and subscribe for more content like this.